Okay, guys, so this is the jspaint.app, and we're going to be doing a lot of assignments using this website. So when you get to the website, your page, which is the white space, sometimes it may be small like this, and what you'll do is you'll just drag it out to the size that you want, okay? So I'm just going to make mine a little bit bigger, and I'm just going to review some of the tools that this website can give you. I'm not going to go over all of them, but you guys can play around um, with how to use this once you're done watching the video. So the first tool that I want to show you is the pencil tool. It's this one right here. With the pencil tool, you can simply draw or write anything and it'll look like you are using a pencil, okay? So when you're using this, your lines are going to be skinny. Another icon is the brush. This is the one I typically use besides using the pencil. And when you click on the brush icon, you will have several options for how you're going to be painting. So if you want to paint um, and you want your brush stroke to be a circular stroke, it'll look something like this. If you want it to be more of a square brush stroke, it looks like this. This is more of a slanted line, and then this is a slanted line going the other way. And the difference between these on this side is simply you'll get a circle, but it'll be a skinny circle. And the ones on this side are biggest, and then the ones in the middle are medium sized ones. Another tool that we'll probably be using a lot is the line tool. So yes, with the paintbrush, you can draw lines, but I want to show you very quickly with the paintbrush. I'll show you. Um, let's say I want to draw a triangle with this paintbrush. All right, pretty good triangle. But when you click on the line, you can choose between your sizes. So we have skinny all the way down to the thickest one. Um, now watch and see me draw my triangle. You see how it comes out straight? So if you want super straight, precise lines, then use the straight line tool instead of the paint tool. You can also create curved lines. So the way to do that is you'll draw a straight line first and then click anywhere on the line and you can pull it out, okay? Any kind of way that you want to make the curve, all right? And then it also gives you features like you can get a rectangle, you can do perfect circles. This one is a square with round edges. And then this one, the polygon, you can create your own shape. So all you have to do is first start off with a straight line, and then from there you can click and it'll help you create any shape that you want. So I'll show that again. You make a straight line and then you can make any shape you want. Okay. Um, this tool right here is the eraser. So if you do something you don't like the way it looks, you can erase it. You have different sizes. So let's say I don't like this circle. I can just take my eraser tool and get rid of it. You also can experiment with colors. So here are your color options down here. All right, so any of what I just did, you can do in any color you want. It does not have to be black. So I can go back to this paintbrush and make red lines, purple lines. I can do purple rectangles and triangles and squares. Okay. Another thing that you can do is use the paint bucket. Okay. So if you are using the paint bucket, you are just going to fill in your shapes with colors. So you can pick a color after you push the paint bucket and fill it in any color you want. Okay. If you do not like what you did and you want to take it back, Instead of using the erase tool, you could go to edit and click undo. Okay, and it'll undo the last thing that you did. Okay. Um, let's say you want to draw a rectangle. Okay. And after you draw that rectangle, you cannot move it. You can't click it and move on it and move it. So if you want to move it, you can click this icon right here. It's called select. And what you'll do is you will select what you want to move, and then you can move it wherever you need to put it. Okay. So those are just some basics when it comes to using this painting app. When you're done doing your work, you always want to save it. So you hit file and click save. And whatever device you're using is going to save it to your device.